It's Rickbo. I'm up here on the roof today. I haven't had a chance to clean this roof since I've had this thing. I've had it nearly 2 years now. I've been up here to check seals and make sure I didn't have any bad caulking, but I just haven't had a chance to wash it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I don't have any water down here, so I've got to bring my own. I don't even have electricity in this side. I've got to run a cord from the fifth wheel over there to run the pump on this thing. But anyway, I'm gonna wash this, and then I'm gonna wash the sides, and then I'm gonna put the Polyglow or the Zep floor polish on the sides of the camper. I've been doing that on the fifth wheel for years, and it really does make it shine, and bugs just wipe right off. You just got to reapply it every 4 or 5 years. So anyway, here I go. Yeah, it's kind of a pain. Don't have a whole lot of pressure, but it'll get the job done. I think it cleans up pretty good because it is fiberglass. Okay, there's the front 2 feet. I'm glad this is only a 30-foot rig. Feel sorry for the guys with a 38-foot, 40-foot. But yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna have to go get down and get some more magic erasers. But it's gonna be worth it. Looks brand new. Okay, I'm finished with it. It was a lot of work. It looks 100% better. Oh, wait a minute. Well, I guess I'm not done yet. But look at the difference in that. That's the only thing keeping me going is how good it looks on the parts I've finished. Okay, let me get back to work. Okay, now I'm done. And I'm tired. Feels like a brand new roof. The only spots I have is underneath the antenna, where the air conditioner water runs out from underneath the air conditioner. It's kind of got a stain to it, but everything else looks real good. Feels good to have it all cleaned up. Now I can come up here and reseal some stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get down from here, try to without falling, and go to the house because I'm tired. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll talk to everybody later. Bye.